Hi guys, good evening.
Hi, sir. Good evening too.
Okay. So guys, what we had completed is last class.
Database metadata.
Database metadata. What is database
Yes.
metadata, guys?
It's an interface used to get information about the database.
Database metadata is a interface which can give that information about the database, right? So what are the type of database we are going to using? What are the version of database we are going to using? And what are the tables we are going to using? So if we want to know those things, then we can go for what concept is database metadata, right guys? So you are practiced yesterday.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you are getting output.
Yes.
Okay. So guys, today we can go to that word, guys. There is a store image, retrieve image, store file, retrieve file. Yeah. Okay, guys. So today we can go through that concept word, guys. Store image concept. Okay. So my screen visible, guys.
No,
All
sir.
right. No.
No, it's not visible.
Okay. I will share. Okay. So it is visible, right?
Yes.
Going to sharing on your. Okay. It is visible, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so guys, today we can discuss about to that store images, guys. So before store images concept, what we have to do, what we can do, what we completed still now. So guys, in Java, there is a JDBC we are going to using. By using JDBC application, we can created a table and we are inserting the data, we are updating the data, we are deleting the data, right guys? And few more concept we can complete it, that is result set metadata and database metadata. And what guys, what are the concept we had completed in that? Yeah, and a few more concept.
Sir.
Yeah, few more concept we had completed, that is how we can create a statement object, how we can use to that what guys, result set metadata, results not is no result set, create statement object, prepare statement object, and callable statement object, guys, right? So after that we gone through that word, guys.
Yes.
Result set metadata. After that we gone through that word, guys. Database metadata. So guys, you know how we can insert the data into that database by using JDBC application. But if we want to insert the data, then we can create a query, right? We can create a table into that MySQL database, and we can insert related data, insert related logic we can implement it into the JDBC application. And by using help of what guys, statement object or prepare statement object, we can execute in that query, right guys? So this is the way we can complete it to that code operation by using JDBC application, guys. So how we can save the data, how we can retrieve the data, how we can update the data, how we can delete the data, we completed. That is that comes under as a what guys, code operation. But Today concept we are going to discuss in, okay, so we as a data we are going to inserting the data into the database, but some scenario what happened guys, some scenario we can insert the data into that database, right? So for that purpose also, because of you people can check here guys, in real time scenario we can store the data, we can get the data from to that database. Sometimes we can store the images in where guys, see here, this is that my website guys, this is our website, right guys? So where this is that images guys, this is that one of the image, and this is that one of the image guys. Java full stack development is that one of the image guys. This is that I'm not able to implement it. You people can check. This is that image guys. This is that image. And this is that what guys. I'm going to develop into that one card. Right? This is also one of the image guys. So I'm going to storing that some image into that where guys we can store the images in several uh, path is there guys, we can store the images into that server we can store, and we can store that images in database we can store, right? Yeah, this is the way we can store in that how we can store the data into that what guys, database and server. I will show you guys, this is that my real time application guys, this is that live application. So I'm going to inserting. See, this is also images, guys. This is also images. This images came from where, guys? It is came from to that server, guys. Where I'm going to storing this images. You people can check here, guys. This is that my coding part, guys. This is that my server. This is that my Broodle is that my server, guys. So in that I'm going to implementing my business logic. See here, guys. This is that file manager. I need to open my coding part here guys. So where I'm going to store in that my files and how I'm going to implementing my logic, I will show you guys. See, this is that real-time application, how we can implement it in real-time application, and how we can deploy that our code into that server guys. See, this is that my Broodle is that my server. So in that I'm going to where my code is there guys. You people can check. This is that my coding part guys. Where is my JDBC? You people can check here guys. You people can check our path. What is our path? You people can check JDBC scom.softlearn slash jdbc.php my what guys file name. You people can check here guys where it is jdbc dot jdbc ph jdbc.php. You people can check. Yeah, there is a jdbc jdbc.php file guys. So I'm going to opening this file guys. This is that I implemented some logic by using php guys. This is that php logic I'm going to implement it, right? So guys, I'm going to given where this is the what guys images I'm going to insert, I'm going to retrieve guys. This is that images I'm going to retrieve from where guys, from to that server. This is that server holding some data guys, some images guys. That images I'm going to implement it where I'm going to retrieve that images. You people can check here guys. See, this is that images I'm going to using. So or else where that application, yeah, you people can check. I'm going to open in that particular index.php, then that images it will be show, right? So you can check here guys, my images I'm going to write in that code. You people can check guys, I'm going to implemented code for to that. See here guys, this is that this is the what guys, yeah, this is that our courses, where my courses guys, go and check. This is that courses. See, this is that courses guys. See, our courses is there. So in this after the courses, see here, this is that courses guys, right? So in that I'm going to retrieve the data. This is that image guys. See here, where is my path is there guys? Image src assets slash open page slash image slash widget slash 249 dot png. Guys, we can store a image as a what guys, jpg file we can store, png file we can store, right guys? So there is a different format we can store to that images. So really, first of all, what I did here guys, I'm going to store in these images in first of all in my local system guys. Where is my local system? You can go and check. This is that my local system guys. I'm going to insert in that what guys, downloading few images guys. You people can check. This is that all are images guys, right? So this is that images. I'm going to first of all download it in where guys, in my local system. So after downloading that images, or I'm going to creating to that images by help of what guys, this is that Canva, is that what guys, AI tool. By help of that AI tool, I'm going to creating some images, and I'm going to insert storing in where guys, I'm going to store in that images. This is that folder guys, right? So you people can check. This is that Java full stack development is that one of the what guys, image. So that image I am going to using in where guys. See here 249.png. That 2.249.png image, it is not able to come to that my local system guys. This is the image I am going to inserting into that where guys, I'm going to storing into that my server guys, where I'm going to storing that images. You people can check here guys, I'm going to show into that path of that storing images. See, there is a assets is that what is that our location guys. You people can check what is that my image location. You people can check guys. First of all, there is a assets is that folder is there. Inside that assets, there is a one page 2 is that one of the folder. Inside that one page 2, one more image, one more folder is there guys. That is the folder name as a image. And inside that image folder, one more image, one more folder is there guys. That is widgets. Inside that widgets, I am going to insert that storing that my word guys. This is that image I am going to storing. So I will show you where it is exactly available. First of all, you can go to that what is the assets, right? Inside that assets, there is a one page is that one of the folder is there. Inside that one page 2 is that one of the folder. Inside there is a one more folder is there guys, image, right? So in that image, there is a one more folder is there guys, that is widgets, right? So this is that I'm going to store in that images guys. You people can check. There is a 249.jpg is that one of the image. This is the 249. You people can check here guys, 249. See, this is the png I'm going to storing guys, right? So this is that image I'm going to retrieving in my server browser guys. How I'm going to retrieving? I'm going to inserting, I'm going to developing some code guys. This is the code I'm going to use into retrieve that image from where guys, from to that server guys. Getting or not it is, how
Yes,
we
sir.
can implement it. But sir, actually that data is not image is not available into that database, but we are storing that image as one of the file. That file is available in where guys, this is that file. This is that one of the folder guys. You people can check. This is that one of the folders only. This is that folder. We can create a files, we can create a folder, right? We can upload images also. If we want to upload that image, then we can click onto that upload. Then my local system having to that some images, that's we can select to that any one type of any one image. It can be store that image inside that my folder guys, right? So that folder having to that some images, that image I'm going to where my website is required to that what guys, images I'm going to using. See here guys, I'm going to using to that multiple images. You people can check guys. This is that so few are that images. This is that one of the image. 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 This is that one of the image guys. So like that I'm going to insert what guys, storing that images, and I'm going to that image I'm going to retrieving in my website guys, right? So how we can implement it, how we can insert that data into that how we can insert that image into that where guys, insert in that server, I'm going to showing as a practically. See here, guys. So this is that one of the server, guys. This is that my broodle is that one of the server. Inside that server, I have a what is my website name, guys? You people can check. Softlearncity.com. Softlearncity.com. This is the domain, guys. I'm going to creating as a domain here. If people can check, there is a softlearncity.com is that a domain is there. Where is my softlearncity.com is that domain. You people can check here, guys. There is a domain is there. See, this is that softlearncity.com is that domain, guys. This is that how many how many website I am going to implemented, that all the implemented purpose I am going to using one of the word, guys, domains. How we can create? I am going to creating domains also, guys. I'm going to use into that. I'm going to provide into the domain also. See here, if we need to require to that any domain, then we need to register as a new domain, guys. Then that new register new domain we can register, and we can develop that our code in we can deploy that code in our server, guys. Then when we are going to hitting to that our request for by using our website name, then that page will be what we are going to implement it, that will be getting, guys, right? So this is the way we can store that file into the store the images into that server, guys. But by using Java, there is a technology that is JDBC technology we are going to using. But I need to store that images inside where, guys? Into that database, guys. So how I'm going to storing that image into that server, same as like, guys, where that database also is available in this server. Yes, you people can check here, guys. There is a database also is there. This is that MySQL database, guys. Are you visible or not, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is that MySQL database, guys. Not only MySQL database is there, guys. Yeah, it is going to provide into that MySQL database, and it is going to providing lot of features, guys. This is that server. It is going to providing lot of feature. So I'm going to using to that that features. I'm going to implement into that application, guys. Right? So for that purpose, today we are going to discussing how we can insert the data in database, guys. Where is that my database, guys? You people can check. MySQL is that database. MySQL is that database. See, guys, this is that my database. I'm going to creating how my local database is there. See, guys, this is that our database is in local system, right? So same as like I'm going to creating to the databases. This is that my database names, guys. I'm going to creating this database names into that where, guys, inside that server, right? So we can creating this is a server. Then how we can open to that server database? You people can check here, guys. I'm going to open into that one of at least one database. I will show you how we can use it. My hosting and cloud hosting. Go to that. There is a what database file manager, cPanel, and yeah, PHP. My admin is the database is there, guys. See, this is that creating of our database, guys. See, I'm going to open into that my databases. See, this is that my databases, guys. Right? This is that my database names. Inside that multiple tables is there, guys. I shown you yesterday, right? In local system we have a in developer DB, there is a multiple tables is there. I shown you yesterday how we can check how many tables available into the developer DB. Show table is that yeah, there is, I'm going to use into that word, guys. First of all, we can use developer db, we can use it. Then it will be show, guys. Show tables. See here, guys, this is the way we can see the tables, right, guys? So same as like we are going to show into the table inside that database, guys. Where is my developer database? You people can check here, guys. This is that table. See here, guys. This is the tables. How many tables is there, guys? You people can check. There is a multiple tables is there. So I'm going to using one of the user table, guys. You people can check how many record is there, guys. In real time scenario, we can using like this, guys. But no one can show like this, guys. If you join into that any kind of institute, no one can show to that as a real time data, guys. But how I'm going to using in real time as a database, I'm going to this is that application deploy into that my server, guys. So that is the reason how database it is invoke by using JDBC application. But this is that not able to storing that data by using help of JDBC, guys, right? But I'm going to talking about that JDBC what, guys, database, and I'm not able to storing that my images inside that database, guys. I'm going to storing that images in where, guys? Inside that server. There is I'm going to creating that one of the folder. Inside that folder I'm going to storing some images. That images I'm going to reusability where I require to use to that images, guys. You people can check here, guys. There is a I'm going to using to that images where I'm going to using. See here, guys. I'm going to using that images in few place. I'm going to log in this pages, guys, and inside that there is a one more login page. It will become, guys. That login page it will become. See, guys, this is that functionality I'm going to implement it inside that softlearncity.com. There is a home page is there, guys. That home page I'm going to implement it this many features, guys. This is that what, guys. This is that all are functionalities. What are the functionalities is there, guys? This is that one of the business application. That business application I'm going to implement it by using to that PHP technologies, guys. So inside that home page I'm going to providing lot of things is there, guys. There is a Softlearn services is there, user common services there. I'm going to give into that what, guys, advertisement to that some companies that is there. That companies also I'm going to give into that advertisement. That is the reason I'm going to use into that user business website, user YouTube channel reels. I'm going to provide a few things, guys, and I'm going to give into that what, guys, full stack developer videos, AI developer videos, right? And there is a notes. This is that what, guys, I'm going to providing few functionality I'm going to implement it here, guys, right? Same as like what I'm going to doing. There is a my learning is that one of the page is there, guys. This is that my website. What I'm going to explaining to you people, that is that page is coming here, guys. This is that my page, guys. What, guys, after login, then this page it will become, guys, right? So this is also images I'm going to implement it where, guys, mylearnings.php. There is a mylearnings.php is that one of the pages there, guys. That page I'm going to implement it. So I will show you. You people can check here, guys. My learning. There is a my learning dot php is that one of the pages there, guys. You people can check. See here, guys, mylearning.php, mylearnings.php, two pages is there, guys. So you can go and check what is that mylearning. This is that mylearnings.php. So if I want to go to that what, guys, there is a core Java. I'm going to open in that core Java. It is going to providing password, guys. I'm going to provide into that password for this. See here, guys, there is a mylearnings.php means that Java it will become, guys. This is that completely I'm going to providing Java what we have to call Java nodes. It is completely right. I'm going to providing online classes also, guys. That is the reason I'm going to give into that end to end all the technologies, guys. Not only Java, I'm going to give in full stack development related things. Entire thing I'm going to providing online, right? So that is the reason I'm going to implement it. This it is that very big application, guys, right? So there is a interview preparations, guys. Interview preparations also I'm going to providing. What are the interview preparations, right? Almost 100 plus questions available into that interview preparations questions is there, guys, right? So yeah, so this is that application, guys. Just I'm going to showing. So I'm that the topic is diverted here. Yeah, we will come to that word, guys, our actual part. So what is that our actual part? We need to store that data into that database, guys. So for that purpose, how we can store the data into the database? So first of all, what we have to do, we can go to that our where, guys, we can go to that our database and we can create a one table, guys. First of all, we need to create one table for first of all to what, guys, storing that images. So I need to go, this is that local, guys. I'm going to insert in the data into that local only. So inside that I'm going to creating what, guys, one of the table, guys. How we can create the table, you people already know. Tell me, guys, how we can create a table. Create a table. I'm going to give into the table name as a what, image. I'm going to give into the table name as a images, right, guys? In that, how many field I'm going to expecting? One is that id and one is that what, guys, name. What is that image name I'm going to give him? So first of all, I'm going to give into that id what, guys? Id is that int. I'm going to give in the data type what, guys? Data type as a int. And next data type, next field what I am going to using that name, guys. That image name I'm going to give in that what, guys, what is that what we have to call it? There is a name data type what, guys? Varchar, right? So that varchar data type we are going to give in, right, guys? So what is there is a size also that int I'm going to provide into that what, guys? Int id we are going to providing auto increment, guys, here, right? Auto increment is that keyword is there, guys. And after that we can give that name as a varchar. I'm going to give in some size, guys. I'm going to give in some size for this name. So what is my size? I'm going to give in that max size is that 255, guys. That 255 size is that max size of that character char data type. Okay, sorry, varchar data type, right, guys? So and I'm going to give in, see, guys, there is a what should I to do? There is a what, guys? This is that image we are going to store in that database. That is the reason I'm going to give in what, guys, one more field I'm going to using, guys. That is that image, right? And that is what, guys, image I'm going to give in as a media blob. This is the data type, guys. Media blob, what is there is a blob is nothing but a binary long object, guys, right? There is a two types of data types is there, guys. If people what you have to call it, blob is there, a blob, yeah, blob is that binary long object. And there is a one more data type is there, guys. I'm not able to remember that. I will let you know. There is, yeah, blob is there. And character long object, blob is there. And one more database is there, guys. I'm not able to remember. Blob, this is that blob is nothing but binary. Blob is stand for what, guys? Binary long object. And there is a one more data type is there, guys. That is character long object, something is there. Yeah, long object is there. Blob, one more, yeah, I'm going to use into that word, guys. Media blob is nothing but when we can use for this word, guys, image. This is the data types we are going to using here, right, guys? So I'm going to create into the first of all word, guys, table, right? Inside the table I'm going to creating inside the database I'm going to creating that images as a data table name, guys. So that create table images into increment table definition. There can be only one auto column, yeah. In auto increment id is that auto increment is there, guys. So what we have to do here, there is a images id int, yeah, we can take as a, there is a key, guys, primary key. At least one primary key will be expected, guys. Primary key, right? This is the way we can create the table, guys, in real time scenario. I'm going to running this query. Yeah, my table is created. You people can refresh it, guys, right? I'm going to creating that student images, guys. Table name as a images, not student. Images as our table name. So what we have to do, guys, I'm going to insert the data. I'm going to insert that what, guys, images from my local. I'm going to, this is that my local file, right guys? This is that my local images. This is that images available in where guys? You people can check this PC desktop screenshot, right? Go and check really it is having or not. First of all, I'm going to check into that word guys. Come back, come back. See, there is a, first of all, go to the desktop and screenshot, and what guys, there is a, this is the images guys. These images I need to store into the database guys. Okay, this is that images I need to store that in database guys. So for that purpose I am going to implement into the application guys. I'm not able to give in that content guys. I will update today night. Okay, so I'm going to implementing that logic today guys, then that I will give you that content at today night. Okay, yeah, then we can go to that word guys, jdbc. We can go to that eclipse and we can implement that application guys. Okay, so guys, for this purpose can we go to that as a new project,
Yes.
create a java project here.
Sir,
Yes,
what happens if you create a new class on without project?
sorry, can you
What
repeat?
happens if I create a new class?
Yeah, we can create. Yeah, in this in this project there is a
Go
type.
ahead.
Yeah, we can create as a already there is a project is there, right? So we can create that class and we can implement, no problem. Okay,
Okay.
yeah, so I will develop that application with scratch guys, then you can understand. I'm going to creating as a project here, that is store images. Image, store image. I'm going to give a project name as a store image. After that I'm going to creating what guys, there is a src folder, and inside that src folder I'm going to creating package, that is com.soft, and I'm going to creating what guys, I'm going to creating class name. Shoot. Please be online guys, here power cut. Yeah, so guys, I'm going to creating a class name what guys here. I'm going to creating class name as a what, store image or image store, right? I'm going to creating class name guys. Now tell me guys, what are the steps we need to do here? Main method. Yeah, so guys, in that I'm going to doing few things here guys, that is that what external in real time jdbc application, how we can implement, that is that I'm going to showing guys now. Okay, so that most of the time we are going to using what guys, I'm going to using to that how another way also we can use that uh, static variable, how we can use to that I will show you, right? So what we have to do guys, above that class guys, in real time scenario we can create this is the way, this is that one of the way we can create that variable guys. You people can check guys. First of all I'm going to uh, get that connection guys. How we can get that connection is nothing but this is the one of the way guys, private static, private static. I'm going to give it what guys, there is a final means it is not able to modify it, guys. If I once that declare that variable, we are not able to modify it. String I'm going to give in what, guys? There is a database URL name I'm going to give in string variable name what, guys? Database URL, database underscore URL, database underscore URL equal to what is that database connection URL, guys? Tell me. Jdbc column MySQL column double slash localhost column 3306 slash what, guys? Database name developer DB. Developer DB is that my database name, guys. After that, what we have to do here, I'm going to create in that username and password, guys. Private static what, guys? Final and username is that string, guys. String username equal to I'm going to give in that what is my username here, guys? Tell me. Root. And I'm going to creating that what, guys? Password. Private static final and password also what, guys? String I'm going to give in because of my password as a group of character, right? Password equal to I'm going to give in what, guys? Root, right? So this is that what, guys? I'm going to give in username password, right? So after that what we have to do, guys? Here I need to I'm going to creating the table, right, guys? I'm going to create that table inside that my local, but I need to insert that data, guys. So for that I'm going to creating to that what, guys? I'm going to creating one query, guys. I'm going to creating that query. How I'm going to creating that query, guys? You already know these things, but instead we are not able to use into that private static final keyword. But this is that once it is declaring to this data, guys, private static final, no one can modify this data, guys, right? Private what is my query, guys? Static I'm going to give in that query name as a query name query equal to I'm going to create into that what, guys? Inserting the data. How we can insert the data, guys? Tell me. What is that query? Insert into images. What is that my database table name, guys? Image or images. Go and check my table name as a images, right? And see here, guys, inside that images, insert into image values of we can insert in that values, right, guys? Here, so in that I'm going to insert in that values. What are the things we need to insert here, guys? We can insert that name and images, guys. With the two fields we need to insert here. First one word, guys, name. First field is that name, and what is our second field is there, guys? That second field is that word, guys, image, right? Name of the image. So and after that what we have to do, insert that values, guys. Values of what we can insert in that word, guys. Here is that I'm not able to insert in directly, guys. We are going to providing as a question mark. control Z question mark comma question mark, because of it is expecting two parameter, guys. Prepare statement object, how many it will be expecting parameters, right, guys? Statement prepare statement object, it will be expecting parameters, you already know.
Mode. Here.
Private static final, and that is string query equal to this is that word, guys. We can give to that word, guys, our it will be question mark, guys. We can this query, this is that query I'm going to give into that word, guys, prepare statement object. That is the reason I'm going to inserting to that initial level only, guys, right? This is the part has been done. So what we have to do, guys, first of all, where I'm going to give that file path, guys, where my file path is available. See, guys, how I'm going to give into that file path. My local system, that image is available where, guys? This is that image is available in where? In my local system, right, guys? So I need to give that local system path. How I'm going to give in? There is a string I'm going to give into that what, guys? Image path. Image I'm going to using which image I'm going to using. If people can check here, guys. We can store that any type of image. I'm going to give in that image as a what, guys? I'm going to give in slash, there is a slash 9 dot there is a what, guys, jpg file I'm going to store it. J dot 9 dot jpg. JPG. What is 9.jpg is there, guys? 9.jpg is that my image name, guys. Go and check. There is a 9.jpg is that image or not. You people can check. See, guys, this is that 9. So this it is extended with what, guys? JPG file it is storing with that JPG. That is the reason. Okay. So what we have to do, I'm going to give into the path of the image, right? So after that, what we have to do here, guys, we can give to that second. What are the second variable, guys? It is expecting second variable, right? So that second variable name, I'm going to give in what, guys, here string image name, guys. Image name equal to, you can give to that anything, guys. This is that sample image. I'm going to give in as a sample image, guys. This is that we can give that name. We can give that name, right, guys? It is expecting two name as well as image. So that
Yes.
yeah, that is the reason I'm going to inserting to that two variable here, guys. Creating two variable. So what we have to do here, guys, I'm going to first of all checking that file path, guys. What is my file path? I'm going to checking that. For that purpose, I'm going to write in that one of the SOPLN statement. That SOPLN statement, what we have to do, what is my image path I need to identify, guys. You people can check file path, file path, file path, and what is my file path here, guys? Image path, right? This is that my image path here, guys.
Yes.
Right? So after that, what we have to do, we can check to that, we can create a one file, guys. There is it will be that image available in where, guys, inside that one of the folder. So for that purpose, we need to create as a one of the file name, a file class we need to create, guys. How we can create that file class, you people can check. Already you know, I think already you had completed in where, guys, image file. In Java, we are completed files, input, file input, file output, you are completed, right, guys? Equal to new file.
No, sir.
You are not completed?
No.
No. Then what they said, guys, you should be complete to that file path. File, there is a add a file input output string argument. Yeah, we are not able to create as a file. There is a file input output concept is there, guys. That should be we can implement, and it is expecting what, guys? That file name file class can be expecting what, guys? Image path, right? So what we have to do, first of all, that path is available or not, I need to file is available or not, I need to check that condition, guys. How I am going to write into that condition, if people can check here, guys. See, there is a first of all image, not image exists or not, we need to check. There is this is that image path, right, guys? This is that image path. I'm going to check in that condition, not image file path, not image file path dot what, guys? There is a one of the method is there, guys. That is what is the method? Exist file name dot one of the method, one of the method name, that is exist is the method is there, guys. Exist method, where it is image, not image file path, image name, and it is available or not, we can check. Image file where it is available, image file, yeah, image file is that this is that image, guys. This is that image we can give image, not not image file dot exist, there is a exist method is there, guys. Then we can check that image file path is available or not. Then I'm going to writing one of the system dot out dot println. If that image path is not available, then that condition will be executed, guys. What it will be executed, that file does not exist. I'm going to printing to that what, guys? This is that file does not exist. File path does not exist. Right, guys? What is my file path name here? File path name is that what, guys? Image path. This only, right? This path is available or not, I'm going to check in here. So if it is there, then it will be written what, guys? It is doesn't return to that anything. So there is a connection object we need to get here. Yeah. So here it is. Why it is getting it? Okay. So this is that file is not available. Then
Sorry.
sorry, screen visible or not, guys?
Your screen is not visible.
Not visible. Huh? Now,
Yes.
yeah. So after that, what we have to do, I'm going to writing what, guys? There is a getting that connection. How we can get that connection, guys? You people already know. Uh, what object we can use to that, guys? There is a driver manager data get connection object we can use, right, guys? Driver manager data get connection method we can use here. Driver manager data get connection, guys. It is not able to come because of get connection method. It is expecting how many parameter, guys? Control shift O, 3 parameters, right? I'm going to see, guys.
Can you register the driver?
Yeah, register driver, guys. Once we are going to, what we have to do here, we are going to using to that what, guys? Thin driver, right? So thin driver, if you are not able to restart the driver class dot for name, it is automatically it will be restarted. I already explained you how many ways we can restart the drivers. Yes or no, guys?
Yes,
Are
sir.
you forgetted what? How many ways we can restart the driver?
No, sir.
You have an idea, right?
Yes.
Okay. So I'm going to using what, guys, here? Get connection method expecting three parameters. What are the parameter? Username means connections, comma, username, comma, password. Guys, instead of writing to that all those things in a get connection method, we are going to write like this, right?
Okay, sir.
Import driver manager class is going to returning to that word, guys. Get connection statement connection object is going to returning, and that is it is going to throw into that get word, guys. SQL exception, right? So I'm going to use into that get connection object, guys. After that get connection object, what we have to do, guys, we can create a prepare statement object. How we can create a prepare statement object? By help of which way object, guys? Connection object that get connection dot
Create.
create statement or prepare statement we can use to the prepare statement, guys. Instead of that, because of create statement is not expecting parameters, prepare statement object it is expecting parameter, what, guys, query parameter, right? This is the parameter query parameters that prepare statement that prepare statement expecting what, guys, this is that query, right? So I'm going to use into that query, guys, here, and it will be returning what, guys, prepare statement object. Prepare statement object is going to returning to that word, guys, this method. So after that, what we have to do, we can create a input and output object, guys. What we have to create, input and output object. How we can create input stream out, guys? Do you have idea about that input stream output stream classes? File input stream, file output stream.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, file input stream. What is the purpose of file input stream?
File input stream. I don't know anything.
Sorry, what is the purpose?
Before.
I'm not able to get in you.
I don't know this concept.
You
I
don't
just
know?
know input and output.
Okay. So guys, this is that if I want to store that data file or images, then we have to require file input stream classes is there, guys. This is that predefined classes in Java that we can use to that file that classes, guys. That is file input stream, file output stream. If I want to store that store the into the database, then we can use to that what, guys, file input stream. If we want to retrieve the data, then we can use to that what, guys, output stream. There is a object, two types of classes is there, that class we need to require, guys, right? So what I am going to doing here, I'm going to using what, guys, this is that it can be it can be throw that what, guys, file not found exception. See, guys, file not found exception it will be throwing, right? So after completion of this, I'm going to doing what, guys, I'm going to doing that next I'm going to give doing what, guys, I need to set that string, guys, prepare statement data, I need to set the data, right? I'm going to set the data here, guys. I'm going to setting the data. So what are the data is there? If people can check here, guys, there is a statement data. How we can set the data, guys? By help of that prepare statement object. What is my prepare statement object is there, guys? Statement is that reference variable. By help of that prepare statement, we are going to using what, guys? There is a we can use the try block also here. Try block inside that statement data set string or set int. What are the data type we are going to using? Set string only, right, guys? Set string
Yes.
index position what, guys? 1, and image file name we need to give. What is that image file name I'm going to give in here, guys? Right, this is that image file where it is available. If people can check here, guys, this is that image simple sample images, guys, right? So that second parameter what, guys? What is that my second parameter? I'm going to second parameter as a I'm going to give in that what, guys, my image name I need to insert, right? So for that purpose, what should I to do? Statement data set. There is a one more method is there, guys. That is set blob. Set blob is that blob. Set blob, right? Set blob prepare statement input stream output stream. So we can use that prepare statement, guys, input stream, right? Set blob is that database, right? So that is the purpose input stream. Yeah. So index position 1 only, and it is going sorry, index second param. It is storing as a second field, guys. Second field it is going to storing, right? So after that, what we have to do, guys? If that we need to execute this query, guys. I need to execute this query, right? How we can execute that query, guys? By help of for statement, execute statement object only. So how I'm going to execute in that query? Statement data. What is the method name? Execute update is that method, guys. Execute update method. So execute update method, what it will be give, guys? It will be give to that how many row are inserted. It will be give as a return type as what, guys? Int data, right? So this is the way we can execute that query, guys. After that time, I need to check that row inserted or not. I need to check, guys. By help of that if condition, I'm going to checking that what, guys? I'm checking to that condition here that row inserted or not means this is the data is inserted or not. I'm going to checking executed updated is that more than greater than 0 or not. I'm going to checking. So if it is that greater than 1 means that index position start from what, guys? Only index position 0th index position means only more record is that index position 1, and that it will become as a what, guys? More than 1. That is the reason it is I'm going to give into that greater than 0, guys. Greater than 0 is nothing but index position start from what, guys? 1, right? So that is the reason I'm going to give in that condition as a row inserted. Or so, guys, you can give that this is that what, guys? Row where it is row inserted, row inserted as a variable name, and you can use it. Row inserted greater than 0 means index position greater than 0, guys. Then what I need to do in new images inserted successfully, I need to write as a SOP statement, guys. Yeah, new image inserted successfully, right? So I'm going to inserting that image into that where, guys? Inside that what we have to call it database, right? So that I'm going to using what, guys, here try block, right? I'm going to use into the try block. So I need to close it, guys. How I'm going to closing by using try block or cache block or finally block. We can use to that finally block also, right? Inside that finally block, you can close that connection, guys. All the connection. Input stream class we need to close. Statement object we should be close. Connection object we also close, guys. So for that purpose, I'm going to using that if condition here, guys. How I'm going to, this is that way we can use into that if condition, guys, right? If you are passing that only one statement, then we can write to that word, guys, semicolon we can end here, no problem. Input stream, what is that data I'm going to say? First of all, I'm going to closing input stream. This object I'm going to closing input stream. Input stream not equal to null, guys, not equal to null. Then I'm going to using what, guys? I'm going to using close that input stream, guys. Dot, there is a close method. Close method, right? Input stream. Input stream. Yeah, remove it, guys. There is a two closing bracket stream. Close method input stream dot stream input, right? Yeah, will be input stream throwing to that some exception here. What is that? Add throws declaration. We need to give that IO exception, right? And second if condition, I'm going to write in what, guys? Second, what is that second exception, guys? Statement. Not, where is my statement object? Yeah, prepare statement object, right? So prepare statement not equal to null. Then what, guys? Statement dot close. I'm going to using that method. And what is that third one? I'm going to using what, guys? What is that connection object? Now where is my connection object? This is that connection object, guys. I'm going to closing to that everything, guys, here. Not equal to null.
Sir, can I please without it?
Sorry.
I close the index statement and connection of using it.
If you are not, why you are going to closing it is asking, or why need to close? You are asking question.
No. Why are you using
If condition.
Directly connection of use?
Yeah. So see here, that connection. See, input stream not equal to null. That input stream. What is that? My input stream. This is that equal to null. That input stream can having to that some data or null, guys. Some data is there, right? That image having to that image, right, guys, in that. So it is not equal to null. That should not be null, guys. That input stream that should not be null. Then it will be closed stream object, right? That statement object also not null. That statement you people can check, guys. That statement object having some data. Where is that? Where is that statement object? This is that statement object, right, guys? It is passing some query. It is executing some what, guys? This is that query it is going to executing. Then it is going to close. This should not be null, guys. Not equal to null. And that connection object also statement object and connection. You are understand, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So I'm going to write, guys. Almost that application has been completed, guys. See here, guys. I'm going to give into that what? I'm going to I'm not able to give into that any image name. So I'm going to running this application. What is the output it will be get? You people can check here, guys. First of all, go and check into the database, guys. What are the images is there? There is any images is there, guys, inside the image table. You people can check. No images. ID, name, image.
No.
3 fields is there, guys. So I'm going to running this application. Control S and run as Java application. Is throwing to me what, guys? One of the exception. See, file path does not exist. And see, guys, it is going to throwing. What is that user? This is the path. The system cannot find that file specified. Means we are not Java file not found exception. File not found exception. It is going to throwing, guys. File path does not exist. This is nothing but what, guys? If condition exists, if condition executed or what, guys? This block, this code is executed. If condition is executed, because of that, there is no data available. I'm going to give into that what, guys? Image name, right? I'm going to executing one more time. You people can check. See here, guys. File path, this is that my file path and new image inserted successfully, guys. You can check here, guys, where it is. This is the condition executed. New images, this is the try block is executed. See that new image inserted successfully. Can we go and check here, guys, inside that our table? Just refresh it, guys. Developer image, I'm going to refreshing. See here, guys, there is a file name. This is that file name as a sample images, and image name I'm going to give in what, guys? There is a blob. This came as a blob, binary long object, guys. Right?
Yes.
It is converted as a binary long object. This is the way we can inserting the data, guys. I need to insert one more object, guys. If people can check what is my 10th file name, image name is there or not, we can check. I'm going to running this application one more time. Yeah, image is stored. See here, guys. Let's see second image also stored. Right, guys. But we are not able to see once that.
Yes.
Yeah, see this is that blob that data will storing into that this file, guys. Yes, getting or not, it is.
Sir.
We are getting. This is the way we can inserting that image in database, guys. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So, guys, I'm going to give in this code. I will provide that code into that where, guys, inside that our website. Then you can practice it. You will get that knowledge, guys. I will see, this is the way we can insert the data and we can retrieve the data. That concept we can see tomorrow class, guys.
Sir, is there specific steps to do?
Yeah, steps is that nothing, guys. First of all, this is the steps we already know. This is the steps, right? And we can create this is that query also we can insert in purpose also we can use in some way where that insert query. See here, inserting table, inserting the data into that database. We already completed that also, guys. Insert data. See here, guys. This query also we can using here, guys. See, insert into employees values. Fourth steps.
Yes.
And this is that word, guys. I'm going to using executing that query, that execute update. That method I'm going to using, right, guys? Execute execute update. Where it is? Execute query is that method. Execute update query is that execute update is that method, guys. That method I'm going to using, right? So we need to do, guys. Here is that very simple. First of all, what we have to do, I'm going to give, and this is that static, guys. Means statically I'm going to insert what guys, declaring that variable is nothing but this is that one kind of variables only, right guys? What kind of variable? This is the static variable, static final variables guys. Static final variable is nothing but when you are going to use into a static final, that modification is not applicable guys. If you are trying with that anywhere, you people can check here guys. If you are trying with that modifications, this, see here how we can modify it guys, by using that final class. This is that username, right guys? Username, what I am going to give in root guys, I'm trying to modify that. How I'm going to modify it, you can check here guys. Inside that main method, I'm going to trying to modify it. What password equal to what guys, I'm going to give in some data. What root 2 I'm going to give in here guys. Root 2, my password I'm going to give in, and it will be returning some what guys, string data. But you people can check here guys, it is not, it will be removed. What it is going to saying, the field, the final field, image store username cannot be assigned, cannot be modified. It is throwing that exception guys, error. Yes or no guys? Final variable, it is not able to modified. Once it is declared as a final, then it is not able to modify it. Guys, why we are going to declaring nothing but I'm going to developing this application as a final, but tomorrow what you have to do, you can change it. If you want to change, maybe you can change. If you are acting as a developer here, then this class you can use, and you can change that username guys. Your system, that your database username is not same. My username and your username is not same, right? There is a username should be different. That is the reason you should be changed. That is the reason what should I to do, this is that application I'm going to developing, no need to change my username as a root. That is the reason I'm going to declare in that variable as a static final guys, right? So if you are trying with that changing, then you should be getting this kind of error. Then how we can resolve that? Then you people can what guys, remove this. Then we can not yeah, you can remove to that private, and you can remove to that what guys, final. Then it will be, you can what guys, update that value as getting or not. It is that modified value, it will become guys. If here I'm going to printing the data, I'm going to printing the data, you people can check what is that my data here, string, my username as a given string. But previously my username what guys, root only, but I'm changed here. You people can check now, it will be changed, that value it will become as a root 2. See, root 2, there is a root 2, it's came guys, right?
Yes.
But I'm not able to see when I'm going to use into that final, then it is what guys, not modification is not possible. It is thrown into that exception, right? This is the way we can do guys. And yeah, this is that final, you already you got that clarity, right guys? What is the purpose of that static final, right? So, and to that what I did here guys, I'm going to give into that what file image path guys. This is that image path. I'm going to creating one string, and I'm going to give into that string what guys, image path. How we can give that image path, if people can check here guys. If you have to that where your image, if you are storing into that in any drive or any desktop or any folder, then you can go. First of all, my folder is images available into that desktop, and there is a what guys, screenshot is that one of the folder. Inside my images is there guys. How we can give that path is nothing but you can come to that your image folder, and there is a what guys, you can click here. You can click here guys, see it is selected, right guys? See C column slash user slash hp slash desktop slash screenshot, this is the path of my images. You can copy it, and you can come here guys, and you can give that path name, you can give here guys getting or not it is. And that
Yes, I
yeah,
understood.
yeah, second path, second email, second you field name, you can give that word guys, image name. And I'm going to printing that path name guys, I'm going to printing, this is that path. I'm, if I want to print that path name and what is this, then I'm going to printing it, right? So that, see guys, I'm going to get into the username also, pass a username as a run, that is the reason it is getting the exception, right? And after that, what we have to do guys, I'm going to create into that file class. This is that file class as a predefined class guys. That predefined class, it is expecting to that word guys, where our image path is there, that image path variable name we need to give to that word guys, for to that file class. This is that file class guys. You already complete into that, where when you completed to that core Java, that concept it will become file input, file output guys, right? File input and file output concept, it will become in where, in core Java only. So I'm going to showing you, people can check here guys, there is a where my core Java, but I'm not able to give in that entire thing guys. But core Java, right? Select 1 2 3, there is a file input, file output, yeah, see here guys, there is a file input output operations is there guys. This is that concept we should be complete, right? So then how we can create a file class?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, how we can create a file class, we should be understand here. After that, what I am going to doing, I am going to checking that file is existed or not. I am going to checking guys, first of all. For that purpose, image image, that image path is available or not, I'm going to checking. Not image dot exists method, if it is doesn't allow, doesn't have to that image path, then I need to print this statement guys, file does not available or file path does not exist. Okay, so if it is available, that word guys, what we have to call it, that controller should not enter into that if condition guys, that it will be go to that where guys, inside that this after if condition, it will become controller, and this logic will be executed. I'm going to create into that word guys, connection object. By help of that connection object, I'm going to prepare to that prepare statement object. After that, what I did here guys, I'm going to help of that statement object, I'm going to, yeah, before statement object, I'm going to creating output stream guys, sorry, input stream. I'm going to creating input stream object, it is expecting what guys, image. Image is nothing but file image, you people can check this is that file path, it is going to expecting, right? So I'm going to use into the try block. What is the purpose of try block is nothing but a code which is doesn't have into that any exception related code, then we can keep into that word guys, try block. But there is, I'm going to setting the data guys, for to that database, I'm going to setting the data, that is the purpose we are going to using set string, that what guys, index position 1, I'm going to what guys, storing as a image field, right? Image field, what is that image name guys, you people can check image name as a sample image guys. And that what is guys, this is that 2 is nothing but column 2 guys, second column I'm going to give in that input stream. What is input stream having? Image guys. What is my image here guys? Image name is that my, see here guys, that image path. In what is my image path? Image path can contain to that 10.jpg. 10.jpg is one of the image, that image I'm going to storing here guys, right? So that's, I'm going to stay setting that image by help of that statement object. So what I'm going to do, once it is executed, see here guys, statement that execute update query. When my query is executed, then it will be written how many record is inserted. So that is that given that count as a what guys, int data type, it is going to give in. So my index, I'm going to checking that condition guys, that row inserted index is that what, guys? Greater than 0, guys. That index should be greater than 0, then it will be stored. Then I'm checking that, guys. You people can check. Once that data is debugging.
What's that?
Debugging.
No.
You don't have debugging. Okay, guys. Yeah, if you don't have that, because of when we complete the debugging, then when we have to learn in that core Java, that time only we can learn to the debugging, guys. Debugging is nothing but where my data is there, how it is going to executing. So we can check line by line by help of what, guys? Debugging. I will show you tomorrow. Okay.